Good morning. Yeah, we're camping and it's raining and it's cold. Yeah, and today's Jamie Day. So we made it to the lake and it was really, really windy yesterday. So we didn't do anything. We got here about 5 o'clock. We just went inside and played games. I need to show you some new games that we bought in Quartzsite and maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do it live, playing games or something. But yeah, it's cold. Today's Jamie Day. Yeah. Also, it's Cook With Me tonight. But whenever you see this, that will be all done. I was gonna cook it right there, but that ain't gonna happen because it is raining. We brought the van so we could go do some adventuring and leave the truck camper behind. But yeah. So today is work on videos and read. The mobile library came yesterday and got a book, so I'm looking forward to that. I don't remember the name of it. I might show y'all later. But so Jamie Day, it's, I don't know, it's 50 something. It's cold and wet, rainy, and I'm just gonna go inside and work on some videos and read this new book that I got at the mobile library because we'll have to return it before we start on our summer adventure. Not going to be doing much today outside. We might, which I doubt, might take the van for a spin just around the lake, but I guess we'll see if that happens. Good morning. Look at that sunrise. It is so big and red this morning. Yeah, brr. It's chilly, chilly willy. So we are headed into town this morning. The van is getting some new shoes. Yep, it's been a long time coming. Yeah, so we getting new tires and alignment this morning. And then while that's being done, taking the truck to get the oil changed. Yep. Getting some stuff done this morning. Then we'll come back to the lake. But been needing to do this. And Deborah called for me and made an appointment. Thank you, Deborah, for doing that for me. So, yep. We had the opportunity to buy a golf cart so we would have it at the RV park, but it needed new batteries, which was about $1,500. So I was like, I think it would be best if I spent the $1,500 and got new tires for the van, because we drive the van around the park anyway. So, and we plan on taking the van with us up north this summer. So, are we ready?
Okay. We say we're ready.
Okay. Let's go get some new tires for the van. So it's about time that the van gets some TLC. Let's see, I've had the van, I don't know, 10 years. Been on the road 8. This is my 9th year on the road. So I've had it over 10 years and I've not done a thing to it other than change the oil. So it's time for a little TLC for the van. I'd like to keep it forever. I don't want to replace it. I don't want to have to buy another vehicle, which I wouldn't have to, but I like having a second vehicle now at the home base to tool around in, go do errands in, not have to break down my rig. So I am going to have to at some point replace the compressor on the air conditioner if you want to have air conditioning, and I do, and it runs really well when it's charged. So I'm going to have the compressor replaced because obviously it leaked all the Freon out over the winter. when we got back, I had to go get it fixed. And so the compressor's leaking. I can't remember if I said about how much that's going to be, $1,800. Yeah. And then the tires are going to be really close to $1,000. I think 700 to 800. I can't remember now. We'll let y'all know that. And then there's that place, that little thing underneath. I don't know if it's plastic or what, but it needs to be fixed. Got a quote to fabricate something to hold that piece up. I don't know what it is. Underneath the van. I think it protects the gas tank. So that quote is only $150. He said it could be up to $300. He thinks it's only going to take about an hour, but if not, then it'll be double that. I guess they charge $150 an hour. But so I'll probably do that. Yeah, April's about cutting your spending. That's in groceries, because I got to get this done. And it's about getting maintenance done on the vehicles. So that's what we're doing today. Part of it anyway. Big old tires. We're going to put some big old tires on the van.
That's right.
There's that FedEx truck. Master Loop. Finn's laying on Sammy's leg. He says, I just have to touch her and then go to sleep. Sammy's like, what? Ooh, new tires. So we got the tires done. We got the oil changed in my truck. Now Sammy says, what are we doing? Yeah, we're at a new veterinarian clinic. We're going to see if they can cut y'all's nails. Yeah, we want to check out this veterinarian clinic and see if this one is one we want to go to from here on out. Yeah. It's kind of hard sometimes to find the best animal clinic for the babies. Yes, it is. So, that's what we're doing. Yeah, we're checking a new one out. See if we can... We looked online and you could set up an appointment every 10 minutes to get their nails cut. So, they were trying to do it online and something went haywire. So it was like, we're really close. Let's just drive by there. If we have to do an appointment in 10 minutes from now, then we'll do that. But anyway, so I'm just waiting here and see what she finds out. Okay, well, not today. No nail clippings today. Surgery, they schedule surgeries for Wednesday, so today's Wednesday. So we will have to do it another day. And we'll decide that whenever we want to do that. So, headed back to camp. So we have been using this electronic bug zapper, fly swatter thingy. Not for flies, but some kind of net. I don't know what they are.
There's some mosquitoes in there too.
Yeah, there's mosquitoes, but you can't get these with fly swatters. So we came in and they were flying all around this light. So, look at that. Gosh. And you can't, I wouldn't say there are no sims because we see them, but you're still getting them with that. So everybody need, if you go full time, you need this electronic battery operated fly swatter thing. Good morning. We are leaving the lake. We are headed back to our home base, and then we are going to go into town, and Deborah's going to check on her rig, and while we're there, I'm going to go to Dollar General. I may go to Walmart because I'm out of protein powder for our smoothies, and I'm out of blueberries. We've had smoothies all week, and so I need to replenish my supply there. And trying to think, there might be one or two other things I need to pick up for, but I also need to figure out what I'm going to cook with me on Tuesday. And do I have something, or do I need to buy something? But anyway, I'm gonna pull out that chicken. Today's Friday, so I'm gonna pull that out. Probably start cooking that probably Sunday. This is me thinking out loud, and you are listening. Welcome to my world. Anyway, trying to do less trips, but I've only been in to town once, and that was to get tires on the van. So that was kind of a not just going into town to do anything really. That needed to be done, and I decided to go ahead, instead of driving a further distance to Discount Tire, that I would just do it more locally. So I didn't spend that gas. So I don't know if I can get a grocery list or even think about what I want to cook with me ready today. We shall see.